In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to vectorize text in Inkscape. Vectorizing text converts it from editable font characters into clean vector shapes. That means you can scale your lettering to any size without losing quality, share files without worrying about missing fonts, and fine-tune every curve for things like logos, decals, or cutting workflows. Let's walk through the process clearly and carefully. First, launch Inkscape on your desktop. Give it a moment to load the interface. You'll see the canvas in the center, toolbars along the sides, and menus across the top, all the controls you'll use for this workflow. Next, open an existing document or create a new one. The key is to have the text you want to convert visible on the canvas. If you're working from a design you already started, just make sure your text is on the layer you expect and is easy to click. With your text on the canvas, choose the Select tool, shortcut S. It's the black arrow near the top of the toolbar. Click once on your text to select it. You'll see a bounding box and resizing handles appear, which confirms Inkscape recognizes it as one object. Now go to the Path menu at the top of the screen. From that menu, choose Object to Path. This command converts your live text into vector outlines, essentially turning each character into a shape made of paths and nodes. A quick way to confirm it worked. If you switch to the Text tool, you won't be able to change the spelling or the font anymore. That's expected. The text is no longer a type object. After conversion, Inkscape treats the result as a group of individual letter shapes. To work with letters independently, ungroup them by pressing Ctrl+Shift+G. Ungrouping allows you to select letters one by one, reposition them, and prepare for more detailed editing. For precise editing, switch to the Node tool by pressing N. You'll immediately see small gray squares, those are nodes, along the edges of each letter. Drag nodes to adjust the contours and use the direction handles that appear on curved segments to refine the smoothness of arcs and transitions. Take your time here. Small movements can make a big difference in how the letter forms feel. If a node is selected, you can nudge it with the arrow keys for subtle, controlled changes. And that's the full process. You've successfully vectorized your text in Inkscape, giving you complete control over shape, spacing, and scale, all without relying on the original font.